Med bil kan du sagtens. Det er også den nemmeste vej i virkeligheden. Men altså, de første år, der reparerede de vejen en gang om året. Det er de så holdt op med. Ja, måske. Og før, jeg havde også folk, der var nysgerrige, og bare kom op her og så hej, kan I efter? Ej, det er ikke nogen resort. Ja, jeg kan lige ringe til hende og sige, kom bare.
Hello.
Ja, jeg tror, jeg har en snor, jeg kan lige se.
Good job.
Hey, sweetie.
Hello.
Are you filming? Yeah, my neighbor's house is so pretty from this angle.
Where do you keep all your stuff when you're gone?
Hmm?
Where do you keep all your stuff when you're gone? When you're back in Denmark? Where do you keep all the things?
Right where they're at.
Oh.
I have a cleaning lady who comes twice a month and look after the house. It's so lovely that sometimes, if you're stocked up, you have everything in the house. Sometimes I don't leave for a couple of days.
Yeah.
And maybe I get out to here, maybe up to the cave. That's it. Oh, but I have to go shopping now. And like,
Your house is great. Yeah.
it's the smallest one in the whole neighborhood, but it's wood there.
Oh really? It's wood. Yeah, but you have like the nice kind of balcony. Like big difference.
Yeah, but smaller than all the other balconies. But we have the gallery here that we also use. So you know, if we're sitting here at night, then you can hear us very clearly. You know, you can hear us less when we sit down there.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
And it's also like very easy.
yeah, yeah. But the wooden
Have you
part
never been here?
is nice.
Down here?
I came and looked before you guys were here, just a little bit, but yeah.
Do you have any more stuff in there?
I have my broken foot, and I was just spending most of my time right there.
Yeah.
Then you are very happy to be here, not back in Copenhagen.
You know what? I wake up and I'm like, oh shit, I forgot I was in paradise. You don't have to do any effort there. Are you filming?
Yeah.
That's really nice.
And now, because 6 years ago you could see more of the ocean, but now the trees is getting higher up.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So now it's like soon it's gonna be like feeling like a treehouse.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
this
John,
one has
we have
to be
some
filled.
bamboos. One is in a pot, but some of them is dying out. I know about maybe putting two right down here, so you
Isn't it
can have them come up and look
Yeah.
really pretty.
I think it's wonderful.
Yeah, not because I don't.
Walt Disney træder helt i karakter med det samme.
Ja. Du bliver klippet, ven? Nej.
Vi vil gerne. Altså